Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Red EDC. We've got another watermelon knife to check out. This is the CJRB Boxer. Now, it is a utility knife, as you can plainly see. I do like the name though, the Boxer. I'm really actually kind of surprised. I mean, we're seeing, all these companies make these box cutters, and I'm surprised nobody ever came up with the name Boxer before. Very fitting, very appropriate, because they get referred to as box cutters all the time, and that's exactly what I use my utility knives for, is, cutting up cardboard if I need to. But this is CJRB's submission to the box cutter world. Now, there are 4 versions of this. You've got the green watermelon, obviously. You guys remember this one? Angry Watermelon? The hashtag Angry Watermelon. It's actually named the Tadpole from Rough Rider. But another watermelon knife. Got to throw that in there. We haven't seen it in a while, so had to do it. But there's also, it's something lemon. There's a yellow one. There's a black and orange. And then there's a gray version. So there's 4 different versions of the Boxer coming to us from CJRB, all coming in at $34.99 today's price. That could change. I think they were $46.99, so they may be on sale, or that might be their price. You'll just have to look. So the one thing about this, let's go over. I mean, we got nested liners. Do we have weight reduction? Yes, we got all sorts of weight reduction going on there. Open construction, deep carry clip, a lanyard hole. It's got a little bit for everybody, right and left-handed. Pretty much a fully ambidextrous knife, because you've got the thumb studs there. So button lock, as you can see. Overall fit and finish is great. Nested liners, yeah. Coming to us from CJRB, it's done pretty well. Now, this is where the fun starts. So you'll see, you've got your little lock symbol there. Lock and unlock symbol, right? Actually, it's unlock. So we've seen that type of mechanism on utility knives in the past. And going off previous experience, I'm like, okay, you twist this, unscrew it, and you can get the blade in and out. Oh no, that's not how you do that. Man, I was trying to twist and turn and do all this other stuff with this, and no, that is not how you operate it. So, your blade holder, that's 2CR, stainless steel. It's actually very simple, guys. You just push it. I'm not going to lie, guys. I was sitting there trying to spin that thing, and I'm like, what is going on? There may have been a screw taken out at some point. But yeah, you push on it. See, you push on it, and yeah, okay. I get it. Oh, previous experience didn't hold up. So it does lock in there. It does move around a little bit, but it's pretty secure. I'm not too worried about it. But man, is it easy to remove. So this one went from a few choice words being said to probably one of the easiest to remove the blade from that's on the market right now, honestly. So, it's like I said, it's basic. It's a basic utility knife. That's what it is. I think the whole catch in it is obviously you've got this watermelon look to it. Come on now. I know I was all into the watermelon craze for a while, thanks to that little guy. And, here we go. We've got another submission for it. Like I said, there's a yellow one with a lemon name, and then the other 2, I don't remember their names. So I apologize for that. But there are 4 versions. There'll be a link down below. Feel free to go check out for yourself. So let's do some overall. So we're looking at not quite 6 inches with the blade. You're looking at about 5 3/8. Handle's probably going to be 3 3/8, which should probably give us about a 2-ish inch blade. Yeah, a little over 2 1/8. Okay. And then your accessible cutting edge is coming in right about 2 inches. Grip length, 2 5/8. I mean, it's a 3 1/4 finger knife for me. That pinky does lock it in though, so if I'm pressing on cardboard and stuff like that, no problem. Not worried about it slipping out of my hand or anything. The G10 does have a very, very good grip, but there is some texturing. There you go. Hey, the camera wants to work with me this time. There is some texturing on that G10 that does help you. So overall, you're looking at 60 grams or 2.1 ounces. Pretty lightweight, for sure. And it does have the pocket clip, so if you want a clipper in your pocket, like I said, it is a button lock. So it's fairly secure. It does a little tight going in. And that should mean, yeah, we get a decent pop coming out. Like I said, it is a button lock. There's no button stick or anything like that. Pretty smooth operation. You got to shake it shut just a little bit. I mean, it's a razor blade. It's going to do what razor blades do. You do get 10 of them. It also comes with this little guy right here. Comes in with this little pack. So you get 10 little razor blades in there with it. Very nice. That's definitely useful. Most of them that I've seen, you know, come with maybe 3 blades. Not this one. Comes with 10. So overall, it's a good utility knife. I use my utility knives all the time, guys. That's what I use to break down my cardboard. I do not use my regular knives, my everyday knives, to break down cardboard. I use a utility knife. It's called a box cutter for a reason, and that's just what I use. So, but that's just me. Just me. So, CJRB, Artisan, thank you so much for sending this one out. This one just kind of showed up. I had no idea it was coming. Just one day, I'm like, oh, cool. Thanks, guys. I guess Artisan and CJRB sent it out. I don't know who else would have. So, thank you to them or whoever did send it out. Greatly appreciate it. And of course, I appreciate you guys stopping by to check it out with me. As always, have a terrific rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, guys, I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.